Greetings everyone. Today we dive into the fascinating world of figs and fig trees. These are no ordinary fruits and trees. They carry with them a rich history, unique characteristics, and an air of mystery that sets them apart from the rest. Figs, with their sweet, honey-like taste and distinctive texture, have been treasured by civilizations throughout history, from the ancient Egyptians to the Romans. And fig trees with their sprawling branches and broad leaves are a symbol of abundance and resilience. In this video, we'll be unraveling the many layers of the fig story. We'll delve into how to cultivate these remarkable trees. We'll explore the benefits they offer, and we'll even discover some intriguing aspects that are not commonly known. Figs and fig trees are a world unto themselves, a world that's waiting to be explored. So buckle up and get ready to explore the mystifying universe of figs and fig trees. Figs, often considered the fruit of the gods, have a rich history that spans centuries. These lush, sweet fruits and the trees they come from hold a certain allure that is hard to resist. Let's delve deeper into what makes them so special. Fig trees, part of the ficus genus, are unique in their structure. Unlike most fruit trees, the fig tree's blossoms are actually found inside the fruit, which we call the fig. This unique structure is known as a syconium, a hollow structure lined with tiny flowers that eventually become the seeds we see in a ripe fig. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Now, speaking of the fig's life cycle, it's a story of symbiosis and survival. The process of pollination in fig trees is a remarkable dance between the tree and a specific kind of wasp. These tiny wasps enter the fig through a small opening, laying their eggs and pollinating the flowers inside. Once the larvae hatch, they continue the cycle by flying off to another fig tree. A beautiful example of nature's interconnectedness, wouldn't you agree? And then, there are the leaves. Large and robust, fig leaves have a distinct shape that's been celebrated in art and culture for ages. These leaves provide a canopy of shade, making fig trees an attractive addition to any garden. The world of figs is diverse, with over 750 species spanning the globe. From the sweet, honey-like taste of the black mission fig to the lighter, berry notes of the Adriatic fig. There's a fig for every palate. Figs are not just a delicious fruit, they're a testament to the wonder of nature. Their unique growth and pollination process, the variety of species, and their distinct leaf structure all contribute to their charm. As you can see, figs and fig trees are not your ordinary fruit and tree. They are truly a marvel of nature. Now that we've learned about figs and fig trees, it's time to find out how to cultivate them. Growing your own fig tree can be a delightful adventure, and with the right knowledge, you'll soon have your own supply of this wonderful fruit. Start by choosing the right time to plant. Figs are a warm weather plant, so spring is the best season to get your tree in the ground. If you're starting from a young tree, be sure to plant it as soon as the ground has warmed up and all risk of frost has passed. The next step is preparing the soil. Figs thrive in well-draining soil, full of organic matter. If you're planting in a pot, be sure to add some compost or well-rotted manure to give your tree a good start. If you're planting in the ground, choose a site that gets plenty of sun and has good drainage, as figs don't like to sit in water. Once your tree is in the ground, it's all about care and maintenance. Figs need regular watering, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater. In terms of feeding, a balanced organic fertilizer applied in early spring should do the trick. Now let's talk about potential problems. Figs are generally quite hardy, but they can suffer from pests like aphids and diseases like rust. If you notice any signs of these, it's best to treat them promptly. For pests, a gentle insecticidal soap can be effective, while rust can be controlled with a fungicide. Pruning is another important aspect of fig tree care. In late winter, while the tree is still dormant, remove any dead or diseased wood and thin out the branches to allow light and air into the center of the tree. With the right care and attention, you too can grow your very own fig tree and enjoy its delicious fruits. Remember, patience is key when growing figs. It may take a few years for your tree to start producing fruit, but when it does, the reward will be well worth the wait. Figs aren't just delicious, they're packed with health benefits too. Now let's dive into what makes this humble fruit a powerhouse of nutrition. Firstly, figs are incredibly high in dietary fiber. A single serving can provide you with almost 20% of your daily fiber needs. This helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, reducing the risk of constipation and other digestive issues. Plus, the fiber in figs can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. But the benefits of figs don't stop at fiber. They are also loaded with essential minerals. For instance, figs are a good source of calcium, which is vital for bone health. They also contain a significant amount of potassium, a mineral that helps control your heart rate and blood pressure. Moreover, figs are rich in antioxidants. These compounds combat free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage and helping to ward off chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Figs also boast a range of vitamins. They're rich in vitamin B6, which plays a key role in brain development and function. They also contain vitamin A, essential for vision and immune function. And let's not forget about the fig skin. It's where most of the fruit's nutrients are. So don't peel it off. Eat it as is for maximum health benefits. The health benefits of figs extend beyond just physical health. Some studies suggest that figs may also have a positive impact on mental health. They contain a compound called tryptophan, which can help promote good sleep and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. And for those with a sweet tooth who are looking to cut down on refined sugars, figs can be a great alternative. They're naturally sweet, so they can satisfy your cravings without spiking your blood sugar levels. So not only are figs a treat to your taste buds, but they are also a boon to your health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in your favorite recipes, figs are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add some figs to your cart. Figs aren't just for eating fresh off the tree. They're also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. These sweet, soft fruits packed with tiny seeds have been a favorite ingredient in culinary arts for centuries. Their unique flavor and texture can enhance a wide variety of dishes. Imagine a fig jam, cooked down from ripe, juicy figs and sugar. The result is a thick, sweet spread that is perfect on toast for breakfast or a cheese board for a sophisticated appetizer. The jam can also be used as a glaze for meats, providing a surprising burst of sweetness that complements savory flavors beautifully. Now, let's move to salads. Fresh figs can be tossed into salads to add a touch of sweetness and a unique texture. Paired with tangy goat cheese, crunchy walnuts, and a drizzle of honey, figs can transform a simple salad into a gourmet delight. Figs can also be the star of your dessert. Picture a fig tart with a buttery crust filled with a layer of almond cream and topped with fresh figs. The figs caramelize in the oven, their sweetness intensified, creating a dessert that is both beautiful and delicious. And let's not forget about figs in beverages. Fig-infused cocktails are a refreshing and innovative way to enjoy this fruit. You can muddle fresh figs with sugar and mix them with your favorite spirit for a unique fruity cocktail. Then there are dried figs, which can be used in baking, added to granola, or eaten as a healthy snack. They retain a lot of the sweetness and flavor of fresh figs, but have a longer shelf life and a chewier texture. The possibilities are endless when it comes to using figs in the kitchen. From savory to sweet, beverages to snacks, figs can do it all. Their versatility makes them a fantastic ingredient to experiment with. So why not experiment with figs in your kitchen? You may just discover your new favorite dish. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of figs and fig trees today, haven't we? We've explored their intricate details, delved into the art of their cultivation, and highlighted their numerous health benefits. Not to mention, we've also discovered their versatility in the culinary arts, adding a touch of sweet sophistication to various dishes. It's truly amazing to see how this humble fruit, with its rich history and myriad of uses, continues to be a source of joy and sustenance for many. Whether you're considering growing your own fig tree or simply trying out a new fig-infused recipe, we hope this journey has inspired you. Thank you for taking the time to join us on this exploration. We encourage you to try cultivating or cooking with figs and experience their magic firsthand. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it informative. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our future explorations. Until next time, happy gardening and happy cooking.